Die lugweerkaats kan nie heeltemal sien. Sy nek.
Folks, there you see good formation flying by the two L39s. Danger zone it is. Let me tell you a little bit about the pilots flying. 49-year-old Gianfranco. He has a United Kingdom and South African airline transport pilot's license. He's flown over 30 types of aircraft, including the DC-3. He's got a commercial pilot's license on helicopters. He learned former flying with Red Arrows instructors in Durban in 2006. He flies the Yak 52 team, solo L39 and team L39 displays. Charles Urban, 41 years old, a very, very wealthy South African businessman, self-employed, 70th display today, started flying 1987, commercial pilot's license with instructor's rating. He's been flying formation since 2006 on the P166 Albatross, the L39 Albatross, the Yak 52, solo displays in the Yak 55, L39, Yak 52. He took part in the Advanced World Aerobatics as a South African team member, 2010 SA Colors in aerobatics. And here you see beautiful formation flying by these two civilian jets, flying to the music of Top Gun. Listening into the voice of the leader of the team. These are two really smoke on, you go. Very pleasant guys. The smoke that you see there is very, very expensive smoke oil that is pumped across the exhaust system of the aircraft. So let me tell you a little bit about the L39 aircraft. See, there's no stand, so the L39C from country of origin is Czechoslovakia. It's a two-seat advanced trainer and light strike aircraft. And rolling right, go. Right, folks, please remain calm and stay